Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. In today's video, I am going to share with you how you can prepare fluffy steamed basmati rice using Instant Pot. And whenever I prepare these rice using Instant Pot, it comes out so fluffy and perfect. Each and every grain is separated as you can see here. So without any further ado, let's start the recipe. Here I have taken 1 cup of basmati rice. You can find these rice in Asian grocery store, Costco or Sam's Club. These are easily available. I have set 1 cup to measure these. I am taking 1 cup of basmati rice. Now wash these basmati rice 2 to 3 times until the water is clean. Just slightly rub it with a very light hand as I am doing here so that the excess starch remove. Now drain the water. Similar way, wash it again until you will get the clear water like this. Now set this aside for 5 to 6 minutes. Today I am using Instant Pot to cook the rice. I have already soaked the rice for 6 minutes. Don't soak it more than 6 minutes, otherwise the grain starts breaking when you are cooking it. After adding the rice into the liner, with the same cup which you have set to measure the rice, add 1 and 3/4 cup of water, and this is 3/4 cup. You can see here 1 cup I have already added and this is the 3/4 cup. Now add few drops of lemon juice into the rice water. Give it a quick stir. Make sure that is level. Now cover the lid. The whistle is on sealing and set the pressure cook function or manual on normal mode on low pressure for 4 minutes. Once it is done, then I will show you. After 4 minutes, it turns to low sign. At this point, cancel the pressure cook or manual function and wait until the pin went down. It will take about 10-15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the pin went down. Open the whistle and carefully open the lid because still it is very hot. And wow, look at the rice. Each and every grain is separated. In a minute I will show you the rice. These are the perfect fluffy steamed rice ready in no time. If you follow few simple steps every time, you will get these type of fluffy grainy steamed rice, and that you can prepare using Instant Pot. While preparing the rice using Instant Pot, for 1 cup of basmati rice, you have to add 1 and 3/4 cup of water. Make sure to set 1 cup to measure the rice and water. Secondly, add few drops of lemon juice so that each and every grain of rice is separated. If you follow these simple tips and tricks every time when you are preparing basmati rice using Instant Pot, you will get the perfect fluffy steamed rice. Serve hot with curry of your choice. If you like this recipe, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook page. I am posting every Tuesday and Friday 2 videos every week. So stay tuned for the next recipe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.